This is a Big Joe Challenger. It's got a 26. This is 26 by approximately 26. It's a little bit bigger, but it's like 26 and a half deep. It's got a 60-inch lift. Let's see, it's about halfway up. Get in here and see if I can focus on this. The model number is XTR5, 1,000-pound capacity. That's the serial number. It's got a 12-volt battery. Let me lower this down here. You can see the battery. It's sitting in there. So there's batteries right there. And that it's also got a 24-volt built-in charger. To operate it, I just noticed that this isn't locked, which is no big deal. But it's a two-hand. Maybe not. I got it. Okay. Anyways, that's locked, and then you see it's got handles, so it rolls around like just a cart, and then you lift up on it. That's the top, and like I said, that's a 60-inch lift. There you can see the battery, and I'm sure if you wanted to put a bigger battery in it, you could. It's just a 12-volt car battery, or whatever you want to call them. Wheels are nice on it, rolls real smoothly. I'm not sure what else to show you on it, but that's all the way up. You can see it's got the piece in the back. There's the Challenger, Big Joe. You push that over to go down. Oh, I guess I could tell you, so 60 inch was the height. I'll give you the load height here, which is just under 5 inches there, if you see that. But that's the unit. If you got any questions, concerns, let me know. If you want this thing shipped, we can do it. It's going to be palletized. It is probably in the 800-pound, I'm going to guess. I'm just going to get you an overall on it. Hang on a second. Overall height on this puppy is 6 feet, and the widest part of this is this part right here, which is about 26. So 26 by 6 feet, probably go through a standard door. That's the unit. If you got any questions, let me know.